All right, we're ready to outline. I'm going to use a fine point Sharpie marker. And if this goes really quick, don't forget to head back over to part 1 where I go a little slower and give you step-by-step directions on how to do this drawing. You just want to follow along, and that's all you need, and stay here. Pick up right where we left off after part 1 and join us in part 2. We're going to start with the eyes. I like these eyes to be kind of big, and so I did a big pupil and then the curve that will be the color of the eye, and then leaving the white, and then I added a marking underneath. So when I color my cat, that oval at the bottom will be the color of the accent of my cat's fur. For my cat Dave, that would be like a mocha brown. All cats are different, so you can make it how you like. You can even make it a tabby cat. We're going to give it a cute little nose. And then I'm marking up the center of its forehead. This is called a blaze when they have a stripe up there. The top of its forehead. And then the ears. The cheeks. And then we're ready to add our moon. Now, if you're starting in marker, this is going to be a little more challenging, but I like to start my moon in pencil. If you're starting in marker, go ahead and skip this step and come back to it. You can do this after you add your branches. Otherwise, it will be in the foreground and it will kind of destroy what you've got going. We're going to add our branches. Got 2. One from the top and one from the bottom. And I'm going to add my leaves. I like to rotate my paper. It helps my wrists draw more consistent shapes and me not hurt my wrist. You do what you need to do to make your leaves how you want them. Again, our leaves are behind our cat, but in front of our moon. They're in the mid-ground. Our cat is in the foreground, and our moon is in the background. Oh, and I forgot, we're going to do these little inner ear shapes too. Skip that on the cat, I'm sorry. Again, if this is going too quick, go back to part 1 of this video where we go a little slower and step by step. All right, and there's our mid-century moon kitty. I like to go back now with my ultra fine Sharpie and add the details, like some little lines around the edge of his nose. Could add whiskers. And then I like to add lines along just the edge of my leaves randomly to give them some texture. And then once I add my, or erase my pencil lines, it will give it this really nice finished look. And it doesn't even have to be on every leaf. It just gives it this cool texture and dimension onto your picture. It makes it feel more natural and real. Leaves often have bends and curves in them. And that's your mid-century modern cat. I hope you enjoyed that drawing. And if you did, be sure to like and share the drawing, and of course subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any other creative adventures that we have coming. See you in the next one.